So this is the Clearwater River off of Schilling Road. It's almost... Look at all those guys. Oh my god, can you see all those tadpoles in there? Oh my god, two little swirling piles of tadpoles. Oh, beauties, beauties. I hope you could see those. But you can see a sheen of oil or something kind of shimmering on top of the water here. Boy, I haven't watched the videos on how to take water samples, but boy, we could probably use a sample right here at the Clearwater River. US Highway 2 is to the north there. Oh, motherfuckers. Look at here. Look at what we found here. They're pulling fucking water out of here. What the f? Here's where they're stealing water from us. Out here on this little road where all the drug deals supposedly happen, the party house. This is what these guys are doing down here. Fucking bucket with water in it. Putting it back in the fucking river so no bugs dying in it. Nothing in this bucket to keep bugs, wild bugs to get out. Yeah, so they're sucking out of here. That's where that fucking float is from. That float is holding the pipe. I bet there ain't even enough water to suck out of here, you motherfuckers. So yeah, here's another site we found. Maybe y'all knew about this. I don't know who's pulling the water out, but here's all their fucking equipment. What's this right here? Nothing. No sign of who this is. Little Speedway cup. Box cutter. Fucking asshole. Yeah. This is it. Looking to the south.